Emma Frances Chamberlain is an American internet sensation who has set a path from the Gen Zs to become successful and famous through social media. It is Emma's $12 million bank balance which is getting her all the attention lately. Want to know more interesting facts about the young entrepreneur and how she has become so successful and rich? Keep watching the video. Included in the top 25 most influential internet celebrities by TMZ, Emma is a 21-year-old self-made millionaire. From selling merchandise to owning a coffee brand, Emma is a full-time businesswoman. Since Emma started her business journey through YouTube, she has a very wild following. For introducing the internet celebs to a new approach of vlogging, Emma shook the internet and gained recognition. You can almost call Emma the pioneer of creating unfiltered vlogging videos. Her unique videos not only brought her fame in the past few years, but have also changed YouTube's whole style guide. We are too excited to talk about the young influencer's success and rich lifestyle. So, let's just dive into the video. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the super exquisite and millionaire status of the YouTuber Emma Chamberlain. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Before we fangirl over Emma, here is a quick introduction, just in case you didn't know her. Unlike many young Gen Zs, Emma is a high school dropout because she didn't find any personal growth or learning. Soon she moved to the Bay Area of Los Angeles and created a YouTube channel. She became famous when she started hanging out with James Charles and the Dolan twins, who have immense following and fame. Ever since, Emma has worked on numerous projects from podcasting to getting featured on Snapchat. Emma's following is active enough to keep her under the media's constant eye. From Kids' Choice Awards to Steamy Awards for Breakout Creator, Emma has won many. Unlike her sis, James Charles, Emma tries to not get herself into controversies and focuses more on her business and ways to earn solid money. Emma at such a young age has work ethics that are worth adapting. She is legitimately a queen of making things work. With a bubbly nature, Emma has let her audiences know that her major source of earning has been her YouTube channel, for which she is forever grateful. She earns from $120,000 to $2 million from her channel annually. Now that's what we call success. What's more interesting is that Emma is still rising and her following is increasing crazily with each passing day. Creating content since 2017, the young blood has boasted a wild subscriber count of almost 12 million on YouTube and 16 million followers on Instagram. She is not only blessed and humbled by her followers, but she also uses her following to advertise her business and promote other brands. Just last year, Emma delighted her followers with the news of becoming the youngest brand ambassador of Louis Vuitton, a popular and expensive fashion brand. Using her popular name, Emma introduced us to her own coffee brand named the Chamberlain Coffee in 2019, which also produced cute merchandise in bulk. The coffee project alone generated $7 million for Emma, and this is some fat cash. We, as well as Emma's fans, are impressed by her unique ideas. Apart from her work ethic, you have to get a look at the luxurious mansion and cars she just bought with her millions. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Since Emma has risen as a star and an official celeb last year, she upgraded her whip to look like one. Emma bought a sexy 2021 Mercedes AMG GLE 53 Coupe, which cost her 80 grand. She also upgraded her house by moving into the Beverly Hills Hideaway this year and is all set for spending some quiet alone time. Her mansion is listed as one of a kind in Time magazine. Not caring about spending a big amount, Emma straight up grabbed the opportunity and bought the mansion for $500,000. With her strong ideas and genuine nature, she is definitely going to beat all her competitors. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the internet sensation's work ethic and her approach to business? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.